Hello everyone, my name is and today I will be your guide into the wonderful world of being small-brained and jumping to conclusions.
We're going to be talking about fallacies.
Specifically, the authority fallacy.
But first, what is a fallacy? A fallacy is a mistaken belief, especially one based on unsound argument. The notion that the camera never lies is a fallacy. Synonyms: misconception, misbelief, delusion, misapprehension, misjudgment, miscalculation, misinterpretation, and more. There are many different types of fallacies. The one I was asked to describe being the authority fallacy. Now, I couldn't find any simple definitions for the authority fallacy, so I'll just give you an example. Let's say you're having a conversation with someone about Minecraft redstone mechanics. When the person you're talking to says something outlandish like, "Did you know that you can make a redstone timer without any redstone repeaters?" Preposterous, I know. To which you would logically reply, "Well, who told you that?" Now, for the sake of the example, let's say they respond by saying, "Donald Trump said that." Obviously, well, that right there, ladies and gentlemen, would be where they have made their mistake. Just because someone has authority doesn't mean they know everything or they're always right. Now, if one of the Minecraft developers, such as Notch or Jeb, had said that, that would have been more believable because they are experts on the topic. They've spent large portions of their life researching this stuff, or creating it in this case, and that is how they know. But how does Donald Trump know? I mean, unless he's a secret Minecraft gamer, which I'm fairly certain he isn't, then he doesn't. Now, I don't have enough time to record a conclusion or anything like that. I have my reasons, so I'll just end the video here.